Want to know the secret to success in digital marketing? It's consistency. Digital marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about showing up regularly and adding value. The more consistent you are with posting, engaging, and improving your skills, the more you'll grow over time. Imagine posting content every day or even a few times a week. Your audience starts recognizing you, your brand grows, and your chances of making sales increase. But if you disappear for weeks or months, you lose momentum. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Even small steps add up over time, and the results will come if you keep showing up. So if you're starting out, stay patient and consistent. Trust the process, and the results will follow. Follow for more tips to grow your digital marketing business.